This is Laura Spaulding, CEO and franchisor of Spaulding Decon. Today I want to tell you the role of a franchise broker and how to choose one that best suits your needs. Franchise brokers operate for free on your behalf. They charge the franchisor for having you sign the contract and becoming a franchisee. Sometimes this fee is well over 50% of the franchise fee. When you pay the franchise fee for your territory to the franchisor, that franchisor has to turn around and pay that franchise broker for getting you under contract. So when they say it's free, it's really not free to everyone. For example, if you're trying to negotiate with a franchisor and you're utilizing a franchise broker, you're going to have little to no ability to do that because the franchisor is already paying a lot of money to that franchise broker. So there's really not a lot of room to negotiate and give you things that maybe you're requesting on top of what's already the norm. Another issue with franchise brokers is they tend to promote the businesses that pay them the most. I'll give you an example. If you're looking at two sandwich shops, for example, and both sandwich shops are utilizing franchise brokers to sell territories, and one sandwich shop offers $10,000 more to the broker to bring a great candidate, that broker will tend to navigate all the candidates towards that particular brand and away from the other brand despite your increased interest to the other brand. Be on the lookout for something like this. A good franchise broker will ask you what you're interested in up front. You have every right to also ask that franchise broker what each brand is offering to pay them. You don't want to be swayed to one brand or another just because the franchise fee that they're paying that broker is higher than the other brand. I've heard from several candidates that a franchise broker interviewed them at the onset and asked them what they were interested in. One candidate told me he specifically said he didn't want anything food related. When the broker returned to him several brands to choose from, he was shocked to see there was many food-related concepts on the list. When he asked him about it, he really ignored the question. He never answered it. The reason that I think that he promoted that was because this particular broker was going to make more money by pushing a food brand as opposed to the service-based brand that that candidate was initially looking for. Needless to say, the candidate left that particular broker and went to a different broker that assisted him and actually heard what he was really looking for as opposed to just pushing him one way or the other. Franchise brokers make a lot of money if they're very good. They serve a very important role. However, it's important for you as the candidate to know exactly who's paying them, how much they're paying, and if you are being navigated to or from a particular brand and the reason why. Thanks for watching.